that is in the line. That is an example. That is an example.
We have taken note of the issue of facilitation. We shall make further consultations on that. 2, we have agreed that elections should continue. But we have to verify. We are going to do verification district by district. If you are a non-delegate, we don't want you to be within this environment. So the Electoral Commission will proceed. They will call it district by district. We shall verify the candidate, the delegate. The candidates will be here to cross-check. Once we have closed that, we move to another district. After that, we shall seal off the electoral area. For those who are non-delegates and you are here, make sure you start moving out of this area. So I request you allow me to invite the Electoral Commission to continue with the process as I